This is our PShat day 131. And we're talking here today about Toe as creating Chedvah and Shtussa. And the Kesem Paz, which is a very nice sefer on the Zohar, which I have in my DBS database, says the Chedvah and Shtussa are the both Yetzirah Simchas, the Simcha, which is the foolish Simcha of this world, because it has related to Toe. I'm not sure that's the case. Chedvah is usually a positive Simcha, and I would say that Chedvah probably relates to Toe in the more refined state of Bo, which sharpens it, Chad, Chedvah, and makes it into a positive thing. But in any event, there's 18 lines on the bottom of Tez Zayin Amud Aleph, and it says there that we have uh, 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 the mitamon da kedain lidzana to mitamon tam to gets it's the waters which support it from above and from below. Kedain chedva the shtusa, and it creates chedva and shtusa. So again, as we said yesterday, that perhaps it's a klipas noga thing. Something could be used for positive and for negative. It could be used to create chedva, or used to create shtusa. It could be used for positive, create positive happiness, or for negative, to create foolishness. And then it says that we have with the stone bow comes choshech, and the four types of choshech mentioned here. And evidently, the four types of choshech, according to Kesem Paz, at least, are four types of din. There's black darkness, there's red darkness, there's green darkness, and there's white darkness. And each one is a different type of din. And I guess this relates to the klipas too. In other words, something which is absolutely black, something which is not as dark, which is red, something which is not as dark as that which is green. Those would be the three lower klipos, which are very difficult ones to deal with, if at all. And the highest klipa, which is klipas noga, this is a white klipa. So therefore, which means that it has the capacity to be bleached and used positively. So that's it says here that um, uh, uh, so first says Kedain Chedvah Toda Mitamon Kedain Chedvah Shtusa Tchespashin To Bama. With To can come Chedvah, can come Shtusa, depending how you use it. Then there's Choshech Al Pnei Tehom, right? Choshech Hu Esha Uchma. There's the black fire, Taki Bigvan, which is very strong in its color. Isha Sumka, red fire, which is not as strong. Taki Bechizu, which is still very powerful in the way its appearance. Isha Iroka, a green fire, Taki Betzira, which creates I think illusions. And those are all very negative. Strong din, violence, which is inappropriate, and illusion, imagery. And then we have Isha Chivra, a white fire. Kavan the color Kula, and the white fire, of course, includes, just like white light includes all the bands of light, the 7 bands of light in the prism. So too, this white light includes all types of light, both good and bad, and it can be used appropriately and used inappropriately. So it's kind of like the 3 lower klipos are, those 3 darker colors are very inaccessible to use properly. The white light is possible to use properly. But there's choshech tokif, b'chol ishin. This is the strong darkness in all the fires. V'da iskif leto, and this surrounds toe. In other words, it's not. These are the klipos, which one deals with when one deals with toe. I don't know what surrounding means exactly, but it means that they're affiliated with it. And this is v'draza da. This is the secret. The secret of this is vatechena anamir os vayikroas esav. The darkness impacts upon you, and you call for the dark powers, so to speak. Now, the Yitzchak, of course, is just a metaphor, but the Yitzchak couldn't see because of the strong powers of darkness, kaviyachol, so he called Esav. So these are things which, choshech pnei ra. Choshech is the pnei ra, the face of evil. Das anpin la. It beckons, or it illuminates its face, literally, to evil. And that's why it's called darkness. The shai olah. Well, this way, this choshech is called choshech in the pasuk. It is something which is the shaila, which devolves upon the tov avo liskasif liskafole to attack it. So dealing with the process of making tov of and tavo and fixing things. There's always this darkness which opposes a very strong darkness, which some of the darkness which is easy to deal with, some which is hard to deal with, but or it's a so vavo means that it's not easy, if possible, in this world to deal with all that tohu over there, and especially with the stronger fires, except as with white fires. Like I said, it probably represents klipas noga, the klipa of divrei rishus, things which you can deal with, things which you can act with. Okay, so this that is stop here for today. We're up to ruach. That'll be the next thing.